Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be in front of camera again. I'm just going to guide you guys through thrifting 101 for those that maybe after seeing this tutorial you feel like, okay, I would like to try something like this. So the best thing is, if you really don't have an oversized dress or anything like that, and then maybe you go thrifting, the best thing is try to get a dress that the fabric is beautiful. That's one of the tricks. Anytime I go out there to thrift, even though I don't see my size and I see oversized, I buy it because I know the fabric will make something beautiful. Secondly, if you are DIYing an old dress or a thrift dress, the best thing is just putting everything inside. Don't turn back even when you're making a mistake, because most times mistakes just make the dress comes out beautiful or make the item you are trying to transform to beautiful. Because in this one I made a lot of mistake, as in the tutorial that we're going to do now. I'm going to show you guys now. I made a lot of mistake, but the mistake actually made it more unique, more beautiful. So never you give up, never you turn back. If you are doing any kind of DIY transformation, never you turn back. Just keep on going, and then you will be amazed at what you will be coming out with. So don't give up. Now I'm just really want to appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel, has given my channel videos likes, thumbs up, comment. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for my new subscriber. I'm seeing you all. I'm really excited about this. And then if you're new here, today's the first time, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much. Now let's go to the tutorial in proper. Like I said, I stumbled, but at the end of the day I loved it. So you see everything you need to see in this tutorial. So let's go. Okay, let's get down to it. So first of all, I'm just going to unseam the first half of this dress. So that's what I did right here. And because there's a band, I'm just going to work with this upper part before the band. I'm just slanting the shoulder right now, just to give it a slant shape, and then take it underneath the armpit. So you can do this freestyling, doesn't really take much. Just use your eye to follow the shoulder and then the armhole. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, this is the part where I made the mistake, because I used this to trace out the body of, only for me to discover that that top is actually stretchy, so I couldn't fit into this. So I had to add the fabric to the side. So that's what gave it the design. That's why I said that just keep going even though you make mistakes. So now I'm just trying to define the armhole very well so that it fit my body pretty well. So now the length, it's 13 inch right now. So I'm just going to add the band that I already have seam to the front and back part of this. So you're just going to see how I'm doing this, because this is a crop jacket. So this is how, just fold it inside out. I've done this so many times on my channel. So if you've been following my videos, you know that it's important to sew inside out. So this is it. This is how it looks after the joining. Now I'm just going to add to the width of this. Like I said, it wasn't fitting, so I just had to add to the side. This is the other part of the band, so I'm just going to use it on both sides. This is what actually brought about the style, because I just had to add fabric to increase the size of the top. So seeing it like this just gave me an idea to leave it like this with the extra fabric pushing out because it looks aesthetic. It looks high fashion and something different and unique. So I'm just adding the band to the front part just for the press button. Oh, and make sure you iron your work as you are going along. I make sure I iron all this while I'm fixing it. Now I'm just going to work on the sleeve. So this is the trick I use in cutting the shape of the armhole to the sleeve so that it fits. So you can do yours this way, or you can just measure your armhole and then fix it on the sleeve. So now I'm just going to attach it. I've done this so many times. Just place it inside out and then you hold it from the down to the top on one side and do the same for the other side. That way you'll be able to fit it perfectly. So this is it after I fix the sleeve to the top. So you all know already that I'm too lazy to put a buttonhole, so I'll always have a press button to the rescue. So I'm just going to put this glitter on the front just to disguise it as if it's a button to beautify this. So this is easier for me, and then you can just do a buttonhole on a button if you want, but this is way easier. So we are done with the hardest part. Now I'm just going to do the easiest one, which is the skirt. So I want it to be A-shaped, so I'm just going to fold this into 2 and then just measure in my waist and then 2-inch sewing allowance so that I'll be able to sew on a stiff fit. So I'm using my ruler to draw the A shape. So just slant it from your waist and then it gets elongated as you go. So this is going to be a short skirt because I want it to fit perfectly to the hip but not tight, so it's going to be free. That's why it's A shape. So now I'm going to just cut it and then sew both sides after I opened it. So it's time to fit in the zip. You can do this in so many various ways. You can actually make the fabric on top, the side of the zip, and then there's also a very neater way to do this. I have some tutorials on I think dresses or skirt that has zip, but if you want a very detailed one, just leave me a comment down below. I can actually find time to do that and post it here. So now that's what I'm doing. Just take your time when you're doing this. Zip is ready. So this is a very neat way I used to do this. Yep. So it's A-shaped skirt is ready. I so much love the skirt. I've worn it in various ways you can imagine. And then the fabric, this video is not doing this fabric justice. It's lovely. It's a perfect. In fact, I love this outfit so much. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button down below. If you're new, leave a comment for me and then let me know what other kind of tutorials you'd like to see on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video. Bye for now.